The Lean Mass-15 workout routine is a fitness regimen designed to promote muscle growth while keeping body fat levels low. This program focuses on compound exercises, which engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing efficiency and results. It's ideal for individuals seeking to build lean muscle mass and improve overall strength and definition. The Lean Mass-15 workout routine typically consists of a split routine, meaning different muscle groups are targeted on different days to allow for adequate rest and recovery. The routine usually involves 3 to 5 workouts per week. One of the key principles of the Lean Mass-15 workout routine is progressive overload. This involves gradually increasing the weight or intensity of exercises over time to continually challenge the muscles and stimulate growth. By progressively overloading the muscles, compound exercises are the cornerstone of the Lean Mass-15 workout routine. These include movements such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, rows, and overhead presses, which target large muscle groups and require coordination and stability. Compound exercises not only build muscle, but also improve functional strength. Proper nutrition is crucial for supporting muscle growth and recovery on the Lean Mass-15 workout routine. Individuals following this program typically consume a diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel their workouts and promote muscle repair. Rest and recovery are equally important components of the Lean Mass-15 workout routine. Muscles need time to repair and grow stronger after intense workouts, so individuals should aim to get enough sleep each night and incorporate rest days into their training schedule. Consistency is key when following the Lean Mass-15 workout routine. By sticking to the program and making gradual progress over time, individuals can achieve their goals of building lean muscle mass and improving overall strength and fitness. In conclusion, the Lean Mass-15 workout routine is a structured fitness program designed to promote muscle growth and strength. Individuals can achieve their fitness goals and develop a lean, muscular physique. Anyone can reap the benefits of this effective workout routine.